Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into XRP. Thank you for your support in the Patreon. Okay, we did a live stream yesterday. That was really cool. Thanks to each and every single one of you in there, and the feedback and the comments we get about that is amazing. And we did it, and I've recorded it. I've put it on YouTube. It's a bit long. I do apologise, but we did cover quite a lot of coins, and I will be doing that very frequently. Okay, hopefully at least a couple of times moving forward. And I'm going to try and see how I can increase the capacity of that as well. But yeah, there's some beautiful little altcoin gems in there. You know, Trias is one. I think TLM we covered always at a different live stream. That's one that I'm looking at. There was loads. Alice is looking quite nice. There's loads and loads of coins in there. You know, stuff that I've never even heard of. Audio. I mean, that's working with TikTok, so that looks poised. But anyway, nothing that I say in this video or in these videos is financial advice. Okay, it's for educational entertainment purposes only. Please remember that. So yeah, so XRP is doing okay. It's a little bit lackluster though, isn't it? You know, just like I said to you the whole time here, it's lackluster. It's come up, come down, come up, come down, come up. It's like it's sort of missing out on the party, isn't it? And it's because it's got this lingering over its head. But even though everything that's lingering over its head, it's still in a bull market. Okay, it's still going up and it's still appreciating, not like it did in the previous bull market though. You know, other coins are doing this. You know, the low cap coins are doing this, but XRP's here now, so it's like a slow walk up the stairs, isn't it? The bulls go up the stairs and the bears come out the window, and it is this drunken walk that Willy Woo's on about as well. You know, this slow drunken walk where these bigger caps are slowly appreciating in price and getting to their, you know, technical targets. This is exactly what XRP is doing right now. So someone said to me yesterday, says, where do you see XRP in the next bear market? Well, let's have a look at bit of TA and let's work it out. Okay, potentially where you could see XRP in the next bear market. And if we do have a monstrous bear market, a lot of people are saying we won't, a lot of people are saying we still will. So it's torn, isn't it? You know, even these price predictions are torn, you know, because people think that XRP is a shit coin that's going to zero and all that. But let's say we do get successful here and we have a parabolic mania blow off top, and you know the DXY falls and everything goes mental, and we have a sort of mania phase for crypto, and XRP meets the $27 target just here that I've laid down since many moons ago. Okay, since you got this bullish cross, it's buy and go to the beat signal on the weekly, which again, more substance. The more you zoom out and you see these, the better, the greater they are, especially on the weekly. You see it on the weekly, buy and go to the beach signal. See you later, alligator. You're off scare. Yeah, you see that signal? Sell and go to the beach signal. You're off scare. You know, that's your bear market just there. Structural loss, losing a low. Boom. See you later. Coupled with that, you know, you don't come back from that on the weekly. It's like rocking horse shit, especially on the weekly. Okay, the 20 and the 55 EMA crossing like that. Boom. You know, major signals. So anyway, you know, in Spiel, you've come up in a drunken walk like this, slowly but surely. You're doing these impulsive and corrective waves, and you know, you might have that mania blow off top up there towards the end of the bull run here for crypto. But you know, if you do get up to there, and we have a bear market like we've always had for crypto, I'm going to show you where the bottom is. Okay, so look, the bear market for XRP was technically around about 96%. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll just say 96% from $27 up here. Okay, so here's your bear market load, 96%, so roughly lower than you are now. You're looking at about a 90-cent XRP token in the next bear if we get up to $27. Okay, but a lot of people are saying we're not going to have these whopping corrections for altcoins. A lot of people are saying, and top technical analysts are saying, that you're probably looking at like a 40-50% depreciation for Bitcoin, and probably around about 65-70% depreciation for these altcoins. Okay, so let's take a look at this. 70%. You know, you're here, aren't you? You're at $8, which is good, you know, because that means that XRP is here to stay. So like I said to you, you know, you come up here into the bull, right, and you have that nominal 70% retracement down here, and you hug around here in a bear market for a bit, and then you enter another bull. Well, from there, you know, let's just have a little thought experiment here. Let's drop the fibs. And look, that's where you could see in the next bull, you could be looking at a $55 XRP token, a double up basically from the previous high. You know, because this is what happens is as you start to go through these projects and these projects mature and appreciate, you get diminished returns, and that's exactly what you're getting with Bitcoin right now. Over the years since its inception, you get diminished returns. A lot of altcoin gems are pumping like this. Okay, that's what you want to be involved in. Not financial advice, but this time around you get into the altcoins that are pumping like mad, and then you swap it back into Bitcoin. Okay, that's what you do. That's called alt season. Yeah. So yeah, I mean, this is what happens with these crypto projects. You know, just look at Bitcoin. Inception exploded, then sort of diminished returns, and then even more diminished returns, and you can see slowly but surely you're depreciating as you go over time. basically Metcalfe's law. So it's going to run out of steam, and that's perfectly healthy. This can't go on forever, obviously. And people say you're going to get insane rallies like this, and they're dropping this. Look, they're doing things like this. I've seen some TA doing this. I think Blockchain Backer does it. You know, he's going something like that, and he's saying, look, you're going to be up here and $576 or whatever, you know. Whether it's him that does it, I don't know, but I've seen people use the bar copy like that and drop it there and say that's how you're going to get there. But I don't see that. I don't see this mania phase for XRP. I see nice, slow, bull go up the stairs appreciation with a bit of a blow off top here to $27 if we're lucky, and then you're entering the bear there. You're looking at an $8 XRP token in the bear, you know, and at that point you sort of the projects that you necessarily want to be involved in, the millionaire makers, are the inception coins basically, that are really low market caps, you know, because from here right now, let's be realistic, okay? From here right now, if XRP does go there, you're looking, what you're looking at, 1,999 percent. So what's that, 19x? I'm seeing coins that are up $40 million that are going to be looking at a $4 billion price tag, crypto market cap there. So again, not financial advice, and nothing I say is financial advice, but these sort of coins are not millionaire makers unless you've got in down here. Do you understand that? Unless you're holding and you bought in down here or here, you know, they're not necessarily millionaire makers. Okay, do you understand that? Again, not financial advice. Nothing to say on this channel is financial advice. Your millionaire makers are the little altcoin gems, which I do cover in the channel. I do cover a lot of them. Okay, more risky, absolutely more risky. You know, with high risk comes high reward. Remember that. Okay. So anyway, XRP, enough spiel. XRP is doing really well. It's a bit slow. It's a bit lackluster. If we look at the daily time frame here, you can see on the daily there is a bit of a resistance level in the RSI just there that you do want to see broken for XRP. Just there. I mean, on the daily, you're flipping bullish on the MACD. That's good. Look, the histogram's just flipping. You get a little MACD bullish cross there. You're looking at this particular correction being over and potentially break out here, give you the power. And this RSI is quite a nice level as well for a little pump. Break this high, and you come up, hit that potential impulsive wave top just here for XRP. From there to there, I would say that you probably come up and hit that impulsive wave top at 157, slow down, potentially rest on this previous high as support. That's what you do: swing high, swing low, swing high, swing lows. Rest on that as support, and that's where you're going to get a monster break after a level of consolidation and slow down here for XRP. Once you break this high, it's all about breaking this high. Okay, break this high, party started. Lose this support, you're looking at a short basically. So that's XRP. You know, not much I can say. The bulls go up the stairs and the bears come out the window. If we take a quick look on the hourly time frame here for XRP, so yeah, basically you're coiling up between the EMAs at the moment. You came up, and if you carry out an impulsive wave here, so if you don't lose this low, I think you're going to break the high. That I'll show you this right now. So you're basically coming back for support. Yeah, you're going to come up and you're literally going to test 135. So providing XRP doesn't lose this low at 126, you're coming back down. You're retracing for a key level of support, right? And you've found it on the 126 at the moment. If you do start to lose a 126, obviously you can see you losing the hourly EMAs, and you're going to roll over. So it's all about holding this 126. If you hold the 126, you're looking at a brand new impulsive wave coming up like this. Break this local high at 132, and you're looking at the confirmation of a beautiful impulsive wave to the 1618 at 135. And with that, I think you're breaking out of that level of resistance there. You're making new highs, new local highs, because you're breaking that high there. And with that, you're looking at continuation. You're going to come up, potentially roll back to its support and get a pop. But I do think that if you start to break this high, you're going to see a big surge for XRP and a big impulsive wave. So yeah, it's coiling up, isn't it? It is coiling up, and it is all about Bitcoin, to be honest with you. But Bitcoin is looking bullish. It is looking bullish. You're coiling up in a horizontal for Bitcoin, and you're looking like you're going to break a level of resistance. So yeah, just here, you know, if you continue to hold this 126, you're looking at a beautiful impulsive move. I think at the moment you're retracing. Let's check your retracement levels, see where you come back to show you where the impulsive wave would be. So yeah, you're bouncing off a 050, which is a normal retracement level. Now if you do start to see yourself come down and lose 125 for XRP, you're potentially looking at a reversal wave here coming down to 122. Do you see that? And you're rolling, and you're taking the EMAs with you, creating a bearish cross. And you can see you've not created a bearish cross for a while. The last time you created one from a high of such magnitude that you went up was over here. So you had a bit of an impulsive move here, and you rolled over and took the EMAs with you, and when you did that, you came down and created this low. So do anticipate that if you do roll here and you start to lose this impulsive wave and you create this reversal wave and come down to 122, there is a potential that you could roll here and come all the way back down to 109, and with that you're still creating this lower highs. Okay, so there is the potential that this is still the ABC pattern here. Okay, they'll always show you it's all about support and resistance. So you've got the A wave down, and then potentially this is still the B. You're still in the B. Okay, so this potential B, and then if you have a C, lost this support, I've given you support targets where potentially you could have a deeper C wave down to this swing low down here at 91 cents, if not deeper. This is a complexity of the C waves. Okay, so you know the B wave, sorry, and then the C wave. So right now this is still potentially a B wave. Do you understand that? Until you break this high, this could be something like this. Look, this could be your B, this could have been your C down there, double bottom, and then you're on your way. You're creating a new impulsive wave here, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves within a subset of waves. Do you understand that? So it's all about resistance and support. Break this resistance, you invalidate the larger C wave. And you know what, we did go through this. We did go through exactly this in the previous wave high up there, and it got choppy, and people thought the ABC was done here, and it wasn't. And then we rolled over and we actually lost this low. So do anticipate it is always still on the cards. It is still always on the cards. Okay, so that's why I show you levels of support. You know, you lose 105, you're looking at a deeper C wave down to 92 cents minimal. Break this high, your ABC's done, and you're looking at breaking the high, and you're looking at 157 next impulsive wave to the high there for XRP. That's it. That's all I can say. Take care, everyone. I'll be back soon with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.